Hello everyone, my name is Pridashni Kannan, student in University Uttara Malaysia taking Management Ethics course. Today, I'm here to do a quick movie review about North Country based on the ethical issues arise in the movie. So, without a further delay, let's get into it. North Country, directed by Nikki Caro and released in 2005, is a powerful drama inspired by the true story of a landmark sexual harassment case. The film stars Charlize Theron as Josie Ames, a single mother who takes a job at the iron mine, where she and her female co-workers face relentless harassment and discrimination from their male colleagues. The movie not only sheds light on gender discrimination but also touches upon other critical management ethics issues such as environmental pollution, an unconducive working environment, and employees' rights to privacy. Let's start off with the first ethical issue, which is employees have rights to privacy. Employees have rights to keep their private issues confidential, and employers who disclose private fact or lies about employees may be held accountable in civil actions for invasion of privacy. So, in this movie, we could see that doctor has leaked the information about Josie to supervisor when she done the pelvic examination to be accepted in the job. Josie's personal life becomes a focal point of security and gossip among her co-workers and the management. The lack of respect for her privacy, both at work and within the community, adds another layer of victimization. This invasion extends to the courtroom, where Josie's personal history is unfairly used against gossips. The next one is unconducive working environment. One of the main issue arise in this movie because of the unconducive working environment is sexual harassment. During the working time, they got harassed every day by the male workers. The sexual harassment including physical harm, uncomfortable situations, and degrading women. This unconducive working environment led Josie to quit work at the mines. Josie Ames and her female colleagues endured persistent and severe harassment, including lewd comments, unwanted physical advances, and intimidation. The film starkly portrays the hostile work environment and the psychological trauma experienced by the women. The film's narrative builds towards Josie's courageous decision to stand up against the harassment by filing a lawsuit, leading to a groundbreaking class action case that set a precedent for workplace sexual harassment laws. Moving on to the next issue depicted in the movie, which is one of the important issue, gender discrimination. Gender discrimination happen when there are bias and preferential treatment based on people's gender. Employees who do not receive the same opportunity, rewards, or resources for being a woman or a man experiencing gender equality in the workplace. From the outset, Josie and the other women working at the mine are subjected to a toxic and hostile work environment. They endure verbal and physical abuse, inappropriate comments, and outright hostility from their male co-workers. The management's indifference and failure to address these issues reflect a profound ethical lapse in ensuring a safe and respectful workplace. Save the best for the last. So now we are at the last ethical issue arise in this movie, which is environmental pollution. While not the central focus, North Country subtly addresses the issue of air pollution associated with the mining industry. The working conditions in the mine are hazardous, not only because of the interpersonal conflicts but also due to the environmental hazards. The film depicts scenes showing the grim and dusty atmosphere of the mine, hinting at the health risks posed by the prolonged exposure to such an environment. This aspect underscores the ethical responsibility of industries to mitigate environmental harm and protect the health of their workers. The mining of irons also causes water pollution of heavy metals and acid that drain from the mines. It's actually really harmful for the environment, and you can also see other major as well, which is shown in the movie like land subsidence and mining waste disposal. In a nutshell, North Country is a compelling and emotional exploration of the ethical challenges in the workplace. It starkly portrays the struggles against gender discrimination and highlights the broader issues of an unconducive working environment, which is includes sexual harassment, environmental pollution, which includes air pollution and water pollution, and highlights the invasion of employees' privacy. The film serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of ethical management practices in creating a safe, respectful, and healthy workplace for all employees. Charlie Theron's powerful performance and the film's unflinching depiction of these issues make North Country a must watch for anyone interested in social justice and workplace ethics. So it's time to bid a goodbye and thanks for watching.